Namaste, I'm Dhruvika, design team member at Craft Angles. Today I bring 3 beautiful cards on which the beautiful backgrounds can be made using only one stamp set, which is called the Craft Angles Delicate Flowers. This is a beautiful stamp set which has got a number of images of the leaves and the flowers. So for my first card, I'm using a panel from the watercolor card stock which measures 4 by 5 inches, and I'm going to stamp these images of the flowers and the leaves all over the panel using the VersaFine clear embossing ink. There is no pattern that I'm following, it is completely random. So once I'm ready and happy with the watermark stamping, I'm going to heat set it using the gold embossing powder. With this beautiful gold embossing powder, we'll see that it's a beautiful outline shimmering of gold. So this is how my panel looks after it is heat embossed. Now it is time to do some watercoloring. For the watercoloring, I'm using beautiful highly pigmented artist grade colors by Craft Angles, which are also known as the Craft Angles liquid watercolors. So for this flower, I'm using the Pretty Peony color, and I'm going to very easily color these. I'm going to use a number of colors here, like the Soulmate, the Lemon Tart, Evergreen for the green leaves, and many other. And for the background, I'm going to make it a very saturated background. So I'm going to use the Craft Angles Sapphire liquid watercolors. I've sped up the whole process because it's a very easy and simple watercoloring. If you've been seeing and watching my videos, you'll see how I really color these flowers and my style of coloring. So this is how the panel looks. And once it is ready, I have stamped these sentiments called Love and Hugs, which is white embossed on the black cardstock. Now I'm just pasting this panel on the colored cardstock by Craft Angles called the Beachy Brown, which measures 4¼ and 5½ inches. So this is how I finished the card. For my next card, I'm going to keep it clean and simple. So for this card, I've taken a panel which measures 4½ and 5 inches. It is cut from the Craft Angles dual textured white cardstock, and now I'm going to stamp flowers all over from the left hand side corner till the down below. I'm just going to cover 3/4 of the whole part of the panel. I'm not going to cover it all throughout. So you see, I am just stamping many different flowers using my black dye ink. Once I'm happy with the stamping, I've colored it using my new alcohol markers, and I'm just going to keep it blue, the powder blue, so that this can be given to any person of any age, and especially it becomes a masculine floral card. So I've sped up the whole issue of coloring. If you have been seeing my videos, you would have seen how I really color my flowers and other things using the alcohol markers. Once I was happy with my coloring, I added the same sentiments called Love and Hugs, which I heat embossed like my previous card, and then pasted it onto the panel, which measures 4.25 by 5½ inches, cut from the Craft Angles sky blue cardstock, and then my card is done. For my last card, I'm using these flowers as a wreath, and I really like this. So I've traced a circle using my circle die. You can use anything of your choice. This was quite handy for me, so I just added this little beautiful wreath, and now I'm going to stamp my flowers in the black dye ink such that it creates a beautiful wreath. So you see, there's this image